So that's one side. What about the impact? If states can block this funding, what are groups like Planned Parenthood and reproductive rights advocates saying? What's the worry?
They've described the outcome as, well, devastating. Their main point is that this will seriously limit access to essential health care.
Especially for certain groups.
Yes, particularly for vulnerable communities, people in low-income situations. We're talking potentially millions who rely on these clinics. Planned Parenthood stresses that for many people, they're the main source, sometimes the only source, for things like cancer screenings.
Like breast and cervical cancer checks.
Exactly. And birth control, STD testing and treatment, basic wellness exams. They argue that cutting off these providers effectively creates healthcare deserts. People might have to travel much further or maybe just won't get the care at all.
It really does put a spotlight on these clashing views, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What counts as essential access and where state power ends and federal rules begin.
Yeah, we've seen this tension for ages, but this seems to empower states in a new way on this specific issue.
So connecting this to the bigger picture, what happens next?
Well, expect more political heat, definitely more legal battles probably. We're already hearing that states like Texas, Missouri, they're likely to move quickly on this. Others might follow.
And this is happening just as we head towards the 2024 election.
Right. And healthcare access, reproductive rights. These are already huge issues for the election. So this Supreme Court decision or non-decision, it's almost certainly going to become a major flashpoint in those debates.
So wrapping this up, it leaves a really important question for you, the listener, to think about. How might a decision like this in your state specifically affect healthcare access, the services available in your community? And maybe consider what the potential ripple effects could be, longer term, for how healthcare is funded and delivered more broadly. Something to mull over.